Viewer discretion.
If you're listening to this, you are the resistance.
Hey everybody, it's dafobra, and today we're doing a review of a new product from Sena Bluetooth. It's the Bluetooth Handlebar remote. It's designed to work with all Sena headsets that are Bluetooth 4.0 or greater. This means it will work with the 20S currently, the 10C and the 10U. Unfortunately, it means it won't work with something like an SMH10 or a 10R. So when you open up the package, you have a charging cable, some grip rubber bands, and the unit itself. Be careful. The user's guides that it came with, by the time I received my product, they were actually printed incorrectly and they were superseded by new ones. And this is, like I said, I was a little disappointed in that because these are very, very new. So anyway, here it is out of the package. This is it. It has a total of 3 buttons on it. It has a joystick in the front, a front button, and a rear button. It has an LED that will glow multiple colors, and it has a charging port right here. Now, the cool thing about this is that it only takes, well, they claim 2 hours to charge it. It took a lot less than that, but a charge on this, according to Sena, will last 3 months. Now, considering that this is going to be on the bike and probably not removed that often, 3 months is a great feature to have. So let's talk about how it works. To turn the unit on, you press and hold the front button. The LED light will illuminate blue, and now it should turn red. Yep, because right now it's not paired to anything. We're going to pair it to our Sena 20S by turning it on.
Hello.
Okay. Now, to get the Sena to pair with the Bluetooth remote, we have to put it into Bluetooth remote pairing mode, which means press and hold the jog dial. You're going to go through intercom pairing into the configuration menu.
Intercom pairing. Configuration menu.
Okay, here we are in the configuration menu. Let's wait till we get the prompt about Bluetooth remote.
Configuration exit. Remote control pairing.
Okay, remote control pairing. Once we're there, we're going to press the rear phone button rather, on our 20S.
Configuration exit. Remote control pairing.
Okay, and we're going to put this into pairing mode by pressing and holding the rear button.
Remote control connected.
And that's it. They are now paired. 3 buttons work as follows. You have the joystick, which going up is the same as rotating that. Rotating the jog dial clockwise when you push up. And you can see I'm at the maximum volume. Pushing down on the joystick is the same as rotating counterclockwise to lower the volume. And you can see I'll do that. I'll bring it up to maximum. The front button works the same as pushing in the jog dial to be intercom. Now it's going to fail because I don't have any intercoms anywhere near it. But that's how that works. You have your 1, your 2, whatever taps that you're doing. Okay. Using the joystick left and right is the same as pushing in and twisting. Pushing in and twisting perhaps to go from one track to another in your music. And the rear button is going to work the same as the phone button. Okay, so now we have the Bluetooth turned on our phone. We can connect it now, because we just turned it on, either by using the rear phone button on our 20S or this rear button here. And now our phone is connected, and we can do all of our voice dialing or playing just by pressing this rear button. Get Siri. There we go. Shut it off. Thank you very much. Let's see how it fits on the motorcycle. Okay, so here we are. This is my 2007 Honda CBR 600RR. My bike has Oxford heated grips, which are, in addition to being larger in diameter, this inside rim right here is clearly thicker, and also the wiring itself here kind of protrudes into the grip area. So I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not sure if this is actually going to work. The way this works is quite simple. It's like a lobster claw. Opens up and closes, and you move it all the way to the left. And it's kind of tough to see, but this really isn't sitting flush, especially this bottom piece. I don't know. Yeah, there's not much grip left. This could be an issue for those of us who have heated grips. Well, heated grips, I said, like the Oxfords. What's nice is you just kind of line it up and have the joystick next to, I would envision, next to the turn signal switch, like so. And you have your starting switch, you have your turn signals right here. I'm going to put on my Dainese 4-stroke to kind of feel how it was to ride it. By the way, this is a friction fit, and if your grips don't have enough grip, for lack of a better word, that's where those two rubber bands come into play, and you would wrap them around. It would give more traction to this, but I'll tell you something, this really isn't moving unless I pull it off. So if I was riding, yeah, the left-hand part of my hand is actually on the bar end, but you can see how if you're riding, you have access to your turn signals, you have access to your high beams, you have access to your horn, you have access to this joystick, you have access to the front button and the rear button. So I'd like to try it out on a bike that doesn't have. See, my clutch lever also comes into contact, but I'm pretty sure it's because of my heated grips. I'm going to try it on another motorcycle. Maybe I'll give it a shot on Mark's ZX14 because he doesn't have any heated grips on his. He has stock grips. Okay, we're in Mark's garage now. This is his 2008 Kawasaki ZX14, and we're going to install them. These are not heated grips. We'll install it much in the same way. There we go. Rotate it. Put it flush. Oh, much more room than mine. Let's put on our Dainese 4-stroke. Yeah, this should do it. I have access to my horn, turn signal, 4 ways, jog dial. I can actually rotate this up a little bit. There we go. The joystick's right here. Front button, rear button, turn signals, horn, 4 ways. Clutch is not hitting it, you can see. So for me, I guess the issue is that I have heated grips and I'm not able to use it, but on a motorcycle with standard grips, it doesn't seem to be a problem. So there you have it. That's the Sena Bluetooth handlebar remote, designed to work with all 4.0, Bluetooth 4.0 and higher Sena headsets. Currently, that's the 20S, 10C, and 10U. I like the form. I like the function. I like how easy it is to get it on and off. I love the battery life. Personally, I never felt that it was a big deal taking my hand off the controls, or if I had to, I could just wait a little bit. But I guess I do understand the convenience of it. I wish it would fit my bike, but I can see that, you know, I am running the heated grips, and that could cause a problem. So definitely check fitment on your bike before you you commit to it. But any questions or comments, put them down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. See ya.
Yes, it is. We got a badass here, folks. We got a badass.